Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Friends, today I am coming with the unboxing feature and review of the Beetel basic landline phone. As you see in the picture, the model number of that landline phone is Beetel B11. This is the basic landline phone, basic ringer, tone pulse switchable for broadband services, basic function, redial, the basic all functions available in this landline phone. The price of this phone is approximately 499 rupees. If you want this set from Amazon online, please use my description, use my link in the description. Friends, okay, let's do unboxing of this nice looking phone. Okay friends, that is its unboxing. You looking at the screen, the main functions, basic function, mute function, pause function, flash functions and redial functions. Also one indicator placed on the bottom side of the phone for the ring purpose, or this indicator is also used as the signal that you pick the phone. I also represent you the ring of this phone. Please hold on. I calling from mobile to this landline phone. Look friends, this phone has very loud ring. If you want loud ring phone, then this phone is for you. This phone has also switch placed on the back side for low high ring. Also one switch available for slow and fast dialing as used in the broadband. This phone is from Beetel company. The Beetel company is not an Chinese company. This company is an Indian company. This phone is available online as well as offline. Please friends, if you like my video, please do subscribe and like my channel. I also giving you the Amazon link to purchase this set online. This set has 499 rupees price, which can be up down by 10 rupees. The service center of this Beetel landline phone are available in all the states of the India. Also this phone has 1 year service warranty for repairing. With this phone you also get one manual card, one receiver lead of 2 meter length. Okay friends, now I close my video. If you like my video, please do subscribe and like my channel. Thank you very much.